Hello and welcome everyone. How are you today? Yes. Well, here we are. And it's my code today, 311. Born on 3/11/1960. And I woke up this morning, favoring Jesus. Jesus is the man and Christ is the Lord. Okay. And I was raised Catholic. Very devoted. My mother prayed every day. Actually, this is one of her little prayer. I have a whole bunch of them. I have a bunch of these little cards. One day maybe I'll bring them through. But I dedicate this to my mother. She was devoted. She prayed every day. She had an altar where she devoted. Like I said, I was raised Catholic. Went to St. Catherine of Genoa school in New York City, 1st through 8th grade. Uh, Even when I wanted to get married, we wanted to elope to Hawaii. Oh no. My mother, who was very always soft spoken, she said, "Hell no! No! You go get married in a church, Catholic church." And even his own mother was like, "Oh, hell no." Uh, I am wearing the grandmother ring of my ex-husband's. This is the grandmother of him. My grandmother's ring bestowed to me. And they were like, "No, you're going to get married in a church." So this is my kind of story I share. But Jesus always in mi casa. I believe it was Jesus and Archangel Michael, the two male voices in my head who would say, "Go on YouTube," um, because no others would have spoken to me that way. Okay, so Jesus is, and even my ex-husband, who not a spiritual bone in his body, he bought that for me back in the day. Um, I think maybe something rubbed off. God bless his soul. But Jesus in la casa. Okay, and I'm going to dedicate this reading to Jesus. Okay, so I haven't selected an angel. We're going to select it right now. Why don't we do that right now? And these are stones, rocks I find on the beaches out here. Isn't this fabulous? Look at that. Can you see the crystals there? Right here. Where we live is very, I believe supernatural in the respect that there's things that are here that I've never seen anywhere before. Even Puerto Rico. We went to Puerto Rico every summer. Both my mother and father Puerto Rican born, and my grandmama, which she was the medicine woman of their town. So it's like I have history, and I'm proud of it. But where I live in Florida is a beautiful piece of planet. So I'm I know I'm blessed. I'm blessed. So my theme tonight is Jesus is the man, Christ is the Lord. Okay. And I'm not here to, force you to love Jesus, but we're spiritual warriors of the white light, bright light. And I have the next video I'm going to do in front of my fireplace is going to be how we're going to, tackle these demons out there. Yeah. Because it's time. I've been waiting to do this video a long time too. So, okay, so these are my angel blessings cards. Okay, so I'm just turning my head. Oh, wow, right there in my head. Right there, right there, right there, right there, right there. Oh, God bless. God bless. Wow. This is another powerful archangel, which I haven't read about, but I obviously wanted to come through. Archangel Raziel. Number 19. Knowledge. This is wonderful. Okay. Sometimes, I don't know if you can hear music or you can hear things in your mind. This is beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, let me hold on. I just wanted to show something. This is the divine image, mercy. I just shared with you how my mother always had these little prayer pamphlets, and the devotion to the divine mercy. Jesus, I trust in you. This is what we want to say to, Jesus, I trust in you. And this nun, the apostle of the divine mercy, the servant of God, Sister M. Faustina Kowalski from Poland, when Jesus and Mary appeared to a nun, Sister Faustina, this is her right here, Sister Faustina Kowalski, 1930, Poland. Instructional manual, Divine Mercy in My Soul. They came to her, Jesus and Mother Mary, and here in when we were running our animal hospital, my ex and I, we were just literally not even 2 miles away from this apparition, this beautiful image, rainbow colors in heaven, my darlings. Never forget that. Okay, never. I was so proud to be able to attend that. I would go there weekly, physically, weekly, walk there. Park there, walk there. But I mean, I can tell you all the times I would just drive by, because I lived west from this image in Pinellas County, but I would just drive. I would go, when I'm driving home, I would go north these couple of miles just to drive by this beautiful image of Mother Mary. And this changed my life. This too. And I would bring my mother, God bless her soul, she's passed now, and my mother-in-law also passed now, but I would bring them both. I said, you go, and I would make the employees like, you're going to go see Mother Mary, it's a miracle, right? They'd be like, they kind of feared me, because I would make sure they were doing the righteous thing. But so anyway, this is the image, this image right here, because of this nun, she drew this image. She saw this image. And this is the Divine Mercy image. Okay. So I'm going to bring Jesus forward now. And now we have received Archangel Raziel. Let's read him right now. Okay. Because how powerful is this? This is... I'm just, I think so much at times. I didn't want to come on YouTube. I know I repeat myself, but I have new subscribers, so I talk to them now, honestly. I talk to everybody, honestly. I'm sort of like an open book. But, I did not want to come on YouTube. I would tell them, I don't want to. I don't want to. Because I knew my life would change. Okay, Raziel. Knowledge. Okay, look how beautiful. Okay, so Raziel, knowledge. To the heavenly angels who possess God in humility and serve Him, capital H, Him in blessedness, all material nature and all rational life are subject. St. Augustine. How beautiful. Okay. Sorry, my hair is in my hand. The name Raziel means God is my pleasure. Okay, so the name Raziel means God is my pleasure. A Hebrew tradition tells that soon after Adam was driven from the Garden of Eden, he experienced illness. Raziel gave Adam a book listing all the medicinal herbs that could cure every possible illness. See how much we are loved? Question mark. Even before illness manifested, the cure was created! Exclamation mark. This shows us that knowledge, caring, and health are the goals of creation. Okay, so let's repeat that. This shows us that knowledge, caring, and health are the goals of creation. Raziel inspires us to find pleasure in knowing God. Raziel is deeply involved with us, bringing the knowledge we seek when we encounter certain mysteries on our spiritual path. These mysteries range from finding the cause of personal illness or self-destructive behavior to having the desire to access and understand universal truths. God has unlimited power to all things. Spirit knows each of us intimately, and being the supreme successness, actually knows the number of stars and planets of space. Okay. Human knowledge and understanding is relative and dependent on experience and learning. Embrace your supreme consciousness. Okay. Even widely accepted facts change as our understanding of science progresses. It was once thought the earth was flat and the center of the universe. Our beliefs can limit the flow of knowledge by creating rigid energy patterns which act as veils to filter out our criticizing things that don't conform to our beliefs. Use your study and life experience to help uncover outmoded beliefs. Be courageous and take action to find the cause, enabling you to release from a deep emotional level. Be courageous. That's cool too. The word courage and courageousness has come through many times on this channel. The Essenes. The Essenes. Now, the Essenes. Essenes. The Essenes. Okay. I totally believe that there's a part in the Bible where Jesus, they don't talk about Jesus. And I totally believe that the Essenes, they were a spiritual group, and they found these scrolls in 1942, and that's copper scroll. All these scrolls in 1942. And I totally believe that Jesus was learned by them, the Essenes. I have this book right here. I have the Dead Sea Scrolls book right here. Dead Sea Scrolls via the Essenes. I keep this on this table because we tap the beautiful ones here with these angels bring loving miracles. I totally believe in this. I totally believe, and this book is fascinating. Okay, fascinating. Let me see what's going on here. I mean, I don't even want to go too much because I can tell I'm already, 13 minutes in, and we want to pick some cards. But I totally believe that the Essenes, this group, that was sort of like a hidden a cult, but they only believed in their beauty. They all wore white clothing, but I believe Jesus studied via the Essenes. I totally do. The Dead Sea Scrolls were found in 1942. Let me say something real quick. If it just says it real quick, how now there's nothing short and sweet here, but I have studied this book. Archangel Michael's heavy with them. You know, they were very much into angels. It's like, I totally believe that hidden part of the Bible that they don't know where Jesus was. I totally believe they were with these scenes. Okay, so let's continue here. These scenes were great students of universal knowledge. They perfected a learning method like no other, teaching us to open to the source of universal knowledge, not just add more facts to memory. The Essenes combine 3 recognized pathways to discover the one eternal and unchanging source, capital S, source within. The first path is intuition, okay, which the prophets and mystics followed, led by Zagzagel and Amithiel. Sorry, I'm not familiar with them. The second is nature. Okay, so the first is intuition. And you know, on this channel, we talk about go within, take that hour a day, meditate, quiet power time to tap your intuition, right? Okay, intuition. So the first path is intuition. The second is nature. We also talk about that. Get out in nature. Okay. I'm gifted here, or I'm blessed to live by the beach so close, and I'm going to do more. I'm going to do more. The only thing I have, many people follow me. Not like on YouTube, like they're I'm a spiritualist, mystic, so they don't really embrace me too much. So when I go to the beach, I mean, people follow me. It's kind of weird. And but I think that's going to change coming down the road because I've awakened many people, with influence around here. Like, let these haters stop following me. Okay, the second is nature, the view of scientists guided by Ariel and Gemariah. Okay, Ariel, here we have, beautiful. The third is culture, the value of literature and the arts, and inspired by Jophiel and Israfel. Israfel. Ah! I've had Israfel in my life. I am Israfel. I work best with Michael. I know you can't see that now. It's kind of low time. But Israfel, this angel would come and speak to me. And I had no clue because even though I was raised Catholic, I never heard of Israfel, So I made a video just for him, but I am Israfel. So he's here now too for us. Beautiful. So the first path, intuition. The second is nature. And the third is culture, the value of literature and the arts, as inspired by Jophiel and Israfel. Use your intuition to attune to the higher consciousness behind the teachings you are attracted to. Allow the meaning and feeling to activate a powerful vibration within your mind and body. Permit the vibration to open your heart so that you may directly experience the knowledge, harmony, and truth you need to guide you to full awakening. Take action as you accept your place as co-creator with God. Begin to recognize the knowledge you have accumulated in the form of a job, skills, education, training, hobbies, and the things you love. They are preparing you for the divine plan, capital D, capital P, divine plan. Ask Raziel to inspire you with music, poetry, original ideas, and pure thoughts as you piece together your purpose. It is up to you to use this inspiration and wisdom to fulfill your part of a greater plan for the earth. Okay? I'm here to help heal. I couldn't have my own babies, but I know I have, babies in heaven when I pass. The miscarriages that I had, and so I know. And Israfel is here with us too. How beautiful. And this is all about Jesus in the respect. I totally believe Jesus. That section of the Bible that doesn't, his teenage years, I totally believe he was with the Essenes. I truly do. And I've already picked the meditation for this evening. It's the meditation of the Angel of Truth and Enlightenment. Okay, so we're gonna work with that one. But let's select some cards right now. Thank you, Raziel, for coming through. It's been wonderful. Thank you kindly. Thank you. And for all of those, new subscribers and my old school friends, I adore all of you. Without you guys watching and sharing your shine with me. I mean, I'm not one to give up, but YouTube gets a little crazier every day. Like, not a lot of loveliness anymore on YouTube. In 2011, it was, I think YouTube started, 2009 or something like that. And it was authentically brand new. But now it's like, I don't know. It's different. Okay. And I do have this new deck. Hold on, something just popped out. Archangel Raziel. Third chakra. Archangel Raziel. Let's stand him strong. I don't even know how that kind of slid out, but here's Jesus, okay, healer of all ages. So we're going to read that before we pick this card, before we pick another card. Okay, so let's just see what we go on here. How fabulous Archangel Raziel came through. That's why I like to pick random cards, I trust spirit. I trust in spirit, and I think we all should trust in spirit as well. Give it up to the universe. Give it, to your, faith, for my Hindu friends, my Chinese friends, It's like, however it rocks and rolls for you, you do that, okay? If it's positivity, and inspirational, let's say that word, inspirational, okay? Because sometimes, life is not simple, but with, with the divine, many tasks can be healed, okay? Hope, faith, patience. Miracles happen with hope, faith, and patience, okay? Miracles happen. So don't, it's not a fast, system. It takes time. But then a miracle can happen in an instant, seconds. So, and I do believe that angels bring loving miracles. I do believe. So let's just read this one for the moment about Jesus, because I'm embracing this rainbow colors in heaven with Mother Mary and Jesus as well. So let's see what 51. I just received this deck last week, so everything's new to me with this deck as well. Okay, but let's read this one because I'm dedicating on 3/11 Sunday, my birthday, to Jesus. Okay, healer of the ages, health and vitality. This powerful being brings the force of ancient wisdom and profound healing. The light of divine, capital D, divine consciousness. Didn't we just have that? Divine consciousness? Didn't the phrase just happen? The light of divine, capital D, consciousness pours from his hands and heart. Okay, hold on a minute. I didn't even read this. I haven't even read that. I just knew that last week that there was a Jesus in this deck. So this is all right now in my hand. I don't have to make this up, people, okay? I don't have to make anything up. I go with the flow. Okay. This powerful being, which is Father God's Son, is more beyond the powerful being, brings the force of the ancient wisdom and profound healing. The light of divine consciousness pours from his hands and heart, flowing to you with love and powerful healing intention. This amazing entity is with you now. This amazing entity is with you now, bringing resolution to physical, mental, and emotional ills, helping to unblock stuck energy and revitalize your life force. You may have felt this strong presence recently. I mean, that's why I said I woke up and, Jesus in my heart, my body, my mind, my soul. Okay, we'll talk about Jesus today. bringing resolution to physical, mental, and emotional ills, helping to unblock stuck energy and revitalize your life force. You may have felt this strong presence recently, or you may just be opening to the wonderful sensations now. You can call upon this emissary of miraculous transformation. You can call upon this emissary of miraculous transformation whenever you need vitality, balance, or renewal. Know that at the deepest level, an important healing is taking place. I don't even know how to say it, but and 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 that my mother's prayer card is here. I should bring out. She had a stack of them. I should do something significant for her on her birthday. She's a July baby, so maybe we'll do that. Okay, so let us see what's going on here. Goddess of nature, you reap what you sow. Your dream is coming to fruition. Goddess of nature, we just had the nature, right? You reap what you sow. Your dream is coming to fruition. It's beautiful. Let's pick them all up and see what they have to say. Comfort. Oh, God. Now this angel card from the from Mario Duguay, Oracle of the Angels, has come through fluently. This has to be the fourth or fifth time this exact same card has come through. But you know what? It's like saying me. Have comfort. You chose the right. You chose the right energy to bring forward today. Okay, and April 1 will be Sunday, Easter. In the respect of the resurrection. So, you know, and um, Jesus came the Annunciation. Archangel Gabriel came to Mother Mary, saying, "You're going to bear Father God's baby." And then the birth of Jesus with the Nativity, when the three wise men came, following a bright, bright star dedicated to Jesus. And then, the crucifixion, and I slam the Romans a lot with that, like, how can the Catholic Church Vatican be in Rome when they crucified Jesus? And I totally believe this. They have a big devil's den in that Vatican. Okay. And how many thousands of books of ancient wisdom they hold in their museums, and none of us get to know that. But the resurrection of Jesus is why he is the Grand Master. He is the healer of all ages for all people. Okay. He's Father God's son. Okay. And trust me, I love them all. I love Buddha. I love the Kuan. I love everything. I embrace all the beautiful ones. But Jesus is the one. So now this is like the fourth or fifth time this card has come through. Comfort. And this card has also come through. Take time to breathe. Thank you, angels. I breathe with ease knowing you're here. I know this card because, when I go to the beach, doing my own thing, that's how I feel, I'm blessing and praising, and I'm on nature, right? We just talked about nature. Well, I got to look that up again. See, my mind is just already, right? What were the three comforts from Archangel Raziel? Hold on, un momento, por favor. Un momento, por favor. Let's just see Raziel again. In the respect, he's saying to us, this is what we need to do. one more time so I can, like, realize it. Embrace it. Because now the cards are coming through about nature. Here we have 2 nature cards. Goddess of nature right there. So we're going to have to embellish her. Okay? Alrighty. So it speaks of... Okay, intuition. Okay, these scenes. The first path is intuition, which the prophets and mystics followed. The second is nature, the view of scientists. And the third is culture. Okay? So intuition, nature, and culture. The value of literal and the arts as inspired by Jofion Israfel. And you know, the arts, like I was just saying. So here we have the Roman Catholic Church in the Vatican there in Rome. And they don't let us learn anything about that culture. Gotta think about it. Okay, and let's see what this is here right now. Oh! I did. Now, my first divination ever, were the runes. Odin. Psychic insight. Your third eye is open. See the truth for what it is. Follow your intuition. I love Odin. And I love Freya. And actually, I'm going to do a twin flame union because we received that one card where it spoke of these 2 angels that came to Mary Magdalene and for Jesus. So I'm going to make that reading for certain now. Odin and Freya were twin flames. Odin, he's the highest power God, force, source, you know, of ancient times to me, personally speaking. He scried the runes, hanging upside down, per the legend goes. And the runes are so powerful to me. I use them at full moons, which we're going to do that blue moon at the end of the month in the sign of Libra. You know, I am kind of, this month of March, we opened with the full moon in Virgo, which is my moon sign, and then 311 today is my birth code, and then at the end of the month, this blue moon, 2 full moons in 1 month, is in the sign of Libra, which is my rising ascendant. So I've been doing a lot of going within and prayer work and meditation, and like I said, my mother, she prayed every day. Okay, let's pick one of these right now. And then, where are we? 32. Okay, we got good quality time going on here. Let's see, one of these energy cards. Let's put Jesus back in the deck, though. Let's just put Jesus back in the deck, because, you know, who knows? Now, what is this going on here? Well, I don't know what that... I don't... No. Okay. Actually, that was the deceit card. It was like, you know, Diablo en la casa. The Diablo has come through back to back in my readings. So I have this special video I'm coming through, you know, talk about him. I should have shown the card, but I don't know how that card got turned over. But he's, you know, devil's always in the details. Always. Always, always, always. You know, even when Jesus, you know, he had to meet Satan. He told Satan, Satan, you walk behind me, motherfucker. That's what he said. I pray that you people don't get caught up in that nonsense. Door to value. Okay, this is a brand new deck. Let me see what's going on here for the moment. Let me just pick up intuitively what we're seeing here. Door to value. Well, we see a lot of coin and it's like the Chinese symbol here. And the year of the dog is wonderful reading we had through that. But let's see, it looks like it has all these dollar bills everywhere, just kind of floating. Let's just read this right now, and then we'll read the other ones. 31. 3 and 1 is 4. I always like to talk about the 4s, is that, how the pyramids were built, stability and supply. Okay. Okay, hold on. All these are new decks, so I'm not sure. But I like them. They're short and sweet. So, door to value, new beginnings in finance or career. Okay, so this card shows a door with a gold coin on it. Right. Okay, so I was just, see this coin right here? This is like a Chinese coin. Okay, because if you can see, it has like, these old Chinese coins would have like a little square in the center. Okay. This card shows a door with a gold. Oh, look at this number 99. 99. Right? That's the cool thing about the nines. That's my favorite number, 9s and 11s. Whatever you multiply by 9, you break down the numbers, it comes back to 9, like, right? 9 and 9 is 18, 1 and 8 is 9. So this is good. This is good. This card shows a door with a gold coin on it, opening to a place that's filled with light and bright potential. Money, coins, and jewels fly toward you through the open door. Oh, you can see a key now here too. See the key right here? See the key? Okay. There's a key to the door. All right. Okay. Money, coins, and jewels fly toward you through the open door, revealing a golden city beyond. All this points to the potential for exciting new beginnings or expansions where work or money are concerned. Perhaps a new opportunity is totally unexpected, or perhaps it's something you've been working toward for quite a while. Either way, keep your eyes open for this new beginning to appear in your life. Know that anything you value may be open to you now. Remain conscious and creative, and get ready to step through the door. That's nice, right? Know that anything you value may be open to you now. Remain conscious. There we go. Word conscious again. Consciousness. Creativity. Venus. Empress Venus, all about that. She's been heavy on my channel as well. And get ready to step through the door. And the affirmation: my life is opening to endless possibilities of prosperity. The river of abundance flows The river of abundance flows freely through my door, bringing me unlimited wealth. Believe in yourselves, my darlings. Believe in yourselves. Wow, stand it strong. Odin La Casa también. Hold on. I want to read this meditation. Hold on. Let me just think. Okay, let's just read these real quick, and then we'll end with the meditation. Goddess of nature. Yowza! See, we're embracing Jesus today. He wants all this beauty for us, but he wants you to get outside too. Get out in nature. And this comfort angel, I'm serious, he's come like 4 or 5 times now. Goddess of nature, you reap what you sow. Your dream is coming to fruition. Your dream is coming to fruition. This is the time to reap the rewards and benefits that are derived from the seeds of a project, venture, or idea you planted some time ago. And I've been working on a project a long time, way before you two. And I think by 2020 it's going to become reality for me. So pray for me, and I pray for you. I pray for all of you all the time. But it's like finally, because when I started this project way back a long time ago, I come from the moon is the quotes that I use a lot, and it's been coming through. But I started this project back in 2005, and intuitively, and no, I've written it down, so I have lots of information, but I just didn't think people were open to it. And I was around a lot of people who were not, spiritual mystics at all. I'm still treated like I'm some quack. That's why people follow me when I walk to the beach, like, who is she? Well, they don't like me at all, and I don't give a rat's ass. But the point is, as I sit with the angels, and if you all too believe in your core, okay, believe in your core. We have a reason why we're here, and it's not to, be caught up in nonsense. It's really believe in you, and they will protect you. I believe in that too, because even the haters, um, I'm protected. Your dream is coming to fruition. This is a time to reap the rewards and benefits that are derived from the seeds of a project, venture, or idea you planted some time ago. It has not all been plain sailing, and many a time you have doubted whether your many efforts and labor would ever be rewarded. Yet harvest time has come, a time when you reap what you have sown. Accept all the blessings about to come your way and realize that they are the result of the love, courage. They are the result of the love, courage, dedication, and commitment you have shown in the recent past. Give thanks to Mother Nature and enjoy! Exclamation mark. It's beautiful. That's why we have to believe in ourselves, my darlings. Not everything is always simple, but don't give up. Don't give up on you. And especially if you know inherently it comes within, that literally the higher consciousness is enabling you, aiding you, helping you. Believe. Believe. Comfort. Take comfort in the knowing that there is a divine presence in your life, guiding you at all times. There is no need to fear. Trust in the guidance of your angelic helpers and surrender your worries to them. Know that everything will work out exactly how it's meant to be for the greater good. And the mantra. I release my fear, for divine presence comforts me. In trust, I surrender myself to this presence. I let go of all worries and choose to relax. Well-being surrounds me, and I am comforted by the knowledge that I am never alone. And that's truth. And look at this, it's page 18. 1 and 8 is 9. Another 9 on the table. It's wonderful. Just wonderful. And I know this card, so see, I love it. The Miracle of Prayer. Archangel Sandalphon. We have to do him too. Okay. Take time. Take time to breathe. Okay. I know this card has come through because I remember, the chair and thank you, angels. I breathe with ease, knowing you're here! Exclamation mark. The angels have seen that you've been rushing around with your chores and hectic schedule, and they see the toll it's been taking on your inner peace. They are encouraging you to take some time out and breathe! Exclamation mark. It is so important for your well-being that you get some rest and allow your energy to catch up with your physical being. When you have too much going on at once and you rush around, you get less done. So slow down your pace, take your time, breathe deeply, enjoy the air around you, and you will complete your tasks. I believe in that deep breathing. Please, my friends, breathe deep. And the expanded interpretation. By taking time out to breathe before you start your day or at the end to digest the events of the hours gone by, you will give yourself the time and space to review the positive experiences you've had. When you rush around so much, you see less and don't get to enjoy the peace, the happiness, and the blessings. When you take time to breathe and enjoy the beautiful air, you will also begin to recognize the divine blessings and people in your life. You are here to enjoy life, not rush straight through it. So relax and deep breathe. As you do so, you will draw divine angels even closer to your heart. There we go. It's beautiful. Yeah, I even want to do these videos on the beach more often. It's just been kind of odd. I'm not, they follow me out here. I'm telling you, they see me walking. I got these haters that follow me. It's very strange, but I send them all to hell. Fuck off. I do. That's why they hate me, because I tell them, get the fuck out of my face. Deep breath. Odin. I did a video with Odin, with my runes, and the blank rune is Odin. And I love the runes so much that I bought 2 decks. Because I wore the first one out with the book. It was falling apart, so I bought another one. And in that video, back to back, the blank rune Odin came through. And I went through, I was caught on video. I went through something that was like organically, it like, I love the runes. I love the runes. Your third eye is open. See the truth for what it is. Follow your intuition. Odin is the Norse all-father god. All-father. That's how they're known in the Norse mythology. Odin is all-father. All-father. God who is revered to the present day. He is powerful, all-seeing, all-knowing God. His twin flame is Freya. His twin flame is Freya. And like her, he has a raven totem. And I have all these crows. And it's amazing. And I had all these seagulls the other day, which has never happened before in the backyard, or where I feed the birdies. I know they're talking to me. I know they are. His twin flame is Freya, and like her, he has a raven totem. The story goes that he surrendered one of his eyes at a mystical spring called Mimir, 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 so that he could gain the wisdom of the ages. He's a strong but somewhat wild character who helps us reawaken our natural psychic instincts and open our third eye. Okay, third eye. And we just had Metatron last week. Remember, from this new deck that I have here, Metatron, Archangel Metatron, speaks of the third eye, brow, intuition. Okay, that just happened last week. If you haven't watched that. Okay, so he's a strong but somewhat wild character who helps us reawaken our natural psychic instincts and open our third eye so we can look beyond the physical senses and into the spiritual realms. He also helps us recognize that it's okay to have insights into what's happening next. After all, we are the creators of our path. Odin guards the rune alphabet too and works closely with signs, symbols, and omens. And the extended message. You are being encouraged to look beyond what your physical eyes are showing you. Look within and follow your intuition or psychic visions. You may want to plan ahead at this time. It is important to keep your mind and energy focused on the best possible outcome. There will be signs and symbols from the light to tell you that you are on the right path. Okay, that's beautiful. Okay. So there will be signs and symbols from the light to tell you that you are on the right path. Be aware of winged beings gracing your path as a wink from Odin and the light keepers to say that they are honoring your work. Okay, so be aware of winged beings gracing your path as a wink from Odin and the light keepers to say that they are honoring your work. And did we not just receive Raziel came right, right? Intuition, nature. What's the third one? Yeah. Let's bring that comfort through. Odin. I love Odin. We have Archangel Samuel. I think I already did a video for that, right? Okay, so let's go now to the meditation that I chose for this evening. Okay, and then we'll close it down, and we'll pick one of my angelic realm alignment, 1111 alignment cards. This is beautiful, this shell I found. It's some of these things. I love Florida. I really do. Okay, so the meditation for today, the angel of truth and enlightenment. Okay. Okay. The meditation. Let's hold Archangel Raziel with this. Okay. Let's hold Odin and Archangel Raziel. Knowledge, psychic insight. Okay. Let's do this. I listen to my master self and ponder the following words carefully. I have promised you unlimited prosperity. I didn't read this either. The reason why I picked this is because I was embracing Jesus, and I thought the truth and enlightenment represents Jesus. I like spontaneity, and I like when, I'm not here to just, I like when it just unfolds. I listen to my master, capital M, master, capital S, self, and ponder the following words carefully. I have promised you unlimited prosperity, and contrary to your belief, I have not imposed any conditions. I give freely to saint and sinner. It is your consciousness that imposes the limitations, but I have told you how to surmount this obstacle. As it is written, you are told that as long as you seek me, you are made to prosper. The seeking is the key, for you cannot fully focus on the outer world of limitations while searching for me and my kingdom within. Capital K, kingdom within. I have also opened unto you my treasure, ensuring that you always have an all sufficiency in all things. And when I said to simply love me, and you would have peace within your walls and prosperity within your places, I was giving you the secret of the law of attraction. Okay? Law of attraction. All right, you see. Interesting. To love me with all your being is to draw forth my capital K kingdom into your consciousness. Look at the word consciousness again. And the truth of my abundance is made evident in your world. I have promised you wholeness, saying as it is written that I am the Lord your healer. I just opened up this reading and saying that Jesus is the man and Christ is the Lord. I did not read this before. I don't have, it's not like I don't mind taking the time, but I just knew I like what this angel of truth and enlightenment said. I said, okay, we're going to read this one. I have promised you wholeness, saying as it is written that I am the Lord your healer, that I heal all your diseases, restore health to you, and heal your wounds. It is, in truth, you are healed now. You are whole. To those who revere my name, the Sun of Righteousness shall rise with healing in its wings. Think on this and see the simple instructions. A single eye on the holy self within receives the light of truth into consciousness, revealing the absence of disease and the already present reality of wholeness. I am the fountain of healing life. Will you not drink freely of me? ? I have promised you protection. As it is written, when you pass through the waters, I will be with you, and the rivers will not overflow you. And when you walk through fire, you will be not burned. Even if a host of enemies should encamp against you, you will not fear, for I will hide you. Stay close to me, and let me shield shine through your consciousness to form a border. Is anything too hard for me? No. And who am I? I am you. Not the human you, but the truth of you, the spiritual you, the one called a priest after the order of Melchizedek, or holy self. One day soon you will awaken, and my consciousness will be yours, and nothing shall be impossible to you. He who comes to you then shall never hunger, and he who believes in you shall never thirst, and he who follows you shall not walk in the darkness. For I will be you, and you will be me, eternally the one and the only reality. I keep my promises. The angel of truth and enlightenment, which to me significantly is the sun. Okay? The sun. And here we have Raziel. I just kind of brought it together. Number 19, Major Arcana. The sun. We're blessed, my darlings. I didn't even pick up on the number until right now, because this is the angel of enlightenment. You know, the sun. I wanted the sun, and sometimes on these videos the sun shines. So I figured let's do it again. Okay, and here we have my 1111 enlightenment cards, which I've had way before YouTube as well. I was married on 11/11/1989. I've always seen the numbers. I've always seen the numbers. So it's a good vibe. A good vibe. Let me pick two of them. Oh, two come in my hand. Okay. Ay, the Holy Grail. Quest, discovery, atonement. I drink from the Holy Grail. I am made whole. Back in the day when I'd write them at 1 minute. Atonement at 1 minute. It's about you. Okay. You. Not, you know, mind control you. Soul self you. Soul. S-O-U-L. Soul self you. Okay. And here we have birthright key. The sacred communion I seek is all being given to me. I need only turn the key. Only turn the key. Look at that. Birthright on my birthday. Birthright key. And look, here, if you can see, there's a key to the side, right here, right here. I don't know. You know, people say if you bring the card too close, I can't see. But there's a key. And here we have the sacred communion I seek is all being given to me. I need only turn the key. Here we have birthright on my birthday. How beautiful. Change. Cosmic flow. The river flows. I flow with it. That's how we do it, my darlings. Go with the flow. Okay. The more you just can't, you know, like when you swim in the ocean, you can't fight those waves. You just, the waves flow. Change is upon us. Okay. Embrace 2018. A number 11 master code. Beautiful. Beautiful. I love you all. Take care, my darlings. Stay blessed. Ciao.